के बाद ये डिसाइड करते करते फाइनली वी आर ऑन पॉडकास्ट। क्या पार्ट टाइम जॉब से हम लोग अपनी फीस पे कर सकते हैं?
During your co-op, you can save up money. Indian students do not go to the university; they spend their time at home. I was one of them.
तो रितिका को 8 या 9 ऑन कैंपस जॉब लगे
और मैंने लोगों को लगाई भी है, बहुत सारे लोगों को।
पहली ऑन कैंपस से लेके 7वीं 8वीं ऑन कैंपस लगने के बीच का कितना ड्यूरेशन है?
2 months.
कि क्या स्ट्रेटेजी तुमने अपनाई जो तुम्हें 2 महीनों में 8 ऑफर मिले?
One pro tip in life: whenever you give your visa interview, never listen to anybody's answer.
So talk me through your visa journey.
So I was been rejected thrice.
So आज के हमारे जो गेस्ट हैं पॉडकास्ट पे उनका नाम है रितिका डाबी। सो रितिका का जर्नी बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग था। सो शी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम गेटिंग रिजेक्टेड वीजा 3 times टू हैविंग 8 ऑन कैंपसेस, co-op and eventually full time in the same company. So बहुत एक्साइटिंग स्टोरी है। Let's hear about her story from her own. So the podcast starts in 3, 2, 1. So finally after बहुत दिनों के बाद ये डिसाइड करते करते फाइनली वी आर ऑन पॉडकास्ट। तो वेलकम टू माय पॉडकास्ट। और आज की गेस्ट जो हैं आप लोग ने बहुत सारे व्लॉग्स में देखा ही होगा, एंड वी हैव विद अस रितिका ढाबी। सो वेलकम टू द पॉडकास्ट। बहुत लाइट है, वेरी जनरल, कुछ ऐसा नहीं। इट विल बी अबाउट गिविंग योर जर्नी बिकॉज यू हैव सीन अ लॉट, you have went through all the cycle of being a student to finding an internship to being a full-time employee. So we'll talk about that ताकि सबको help मिल सके. So to start with, tell me something about your background. क्या पढ़ाई में क्या किया था और 12th क्या किया था, बैचलर्स में क्या था? Tell me about that.
मैंने मेरा बैचलर्स इन कॉमर्स किया है एंड मैंने डिप्लोमा इन मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट भी किया है
Okay.
एंड मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट एंड आई वर्कड आल्सो फॉर लाइक अराउंड 4 years बैक इन इंडिया। तो इसीलिए मैंने मास्टर्स इन प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट एज अ कोर्स
Okay.
चुना।
तो ये था तुम्हारा पढ़ाई के बारे में। गिव मी सम बैकग्राउंड, क्योंकि आई थिंक ये पॉडकास्ट वो लोग बहुत लोग देखेंगे जो हम जैसे मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से आते हैं। तो गिव मी अ बैकग्राउंड अबाउट योर फैमिली। वेयर डू यू कम फ्रॉम? पापा क्या करते थे, मम्मी क्या करते, घर में कितने लोग थे? टॉक मी समथिंग अबाउट दैट।
ओके, सो घर में हम 4 बहन हैं
Okay.
और मम्मी डैडी है एंड मेरी एक सेकंड जो सिस्टर है वो ऑलरेडी यूएस में रहती है। उसका
Okay.
नाम अरुणा है। आपने उनको भी व्लॉग्स में देखा होगा एंड वो उसने किया है मास्टर्स फ्रॉम नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न एंड मेरा कोई प्लान नहीं था कि मैं
Okay.
यूएस में आऊँ या कुछ भी करूँ, बट उसने ऑलरेडी शी वाज लाइक 5 years ऑलरेडी इन बॉस्टन एंड शी वाज लाइक आ जा इधर, अच्छा है, देयर इज होप, you'll get to study and you'll get to explore a lot of opportunities and there's scope in US.
ओके।
And then मेरा बैचलर्स खत्म हुआ था तब, तो उसने बोला एक डिप्लोमा इन मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट या कोई भी डिप्लोमा कर ले बिकॉज इंडिया में बैचलर्स इज लाइक 15 years of education but
that's
in
right.
US it's 16
16
years, so you need 1 more year of any course. Some people do, because I've done bachelor's in commerce, some people do ऐसे क्या कहते हैं उसको, I do remember हर्ष ने कोई कोर्स किया था for 2 years but I was like let me just do 1 year diploma degree and yeah that's how.
अच्छा, सो मतलब रितिका का कहने का मतलब है कि यूएस में मास्टर्स करने के लिए मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द कॉलेज जो 16 ईयर का एजुकेशन मांगते हैं, और हमारे इंडिया में अब आई गेस थोड़ा स्ट्रीमलाइन हो गया, सारे कोर्सेज को 4 साल कर दिया, बट पहले बीबीए बीसीए ये सब 3-3 साल के
3
होते
साल
थे।
के।
तो दैट मेक्स 15 ईयर, क्योंकि 12 साल हमारा 12 तक और फिर 3, तो दैट्स व्हाई रितिका डिड 1 more year ऑफ कोई कोर्स सो दैट शी कैन कम हियर। ओके, सो टॉक मी अबाउट योर फैमिली। पापा क्या करते थे, मम्मी क्या करती थी, कहाँ रहते हो तुम लोग, कैसा था? डू यू बिलोंग फ्रॉम अ, व्हाट डू यू थिंक, डू यू कम फ्रॉम अ मिडिल क्लास फैमिली, रिच फैमिली, व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
So मेरे डैड रेलवे में काम करते थे
Okay.
and he's retired now.
Okay.
And mama was a homemaker and I would not say that I'm a rich kid.
Okay.
Otherwise I would not do
Yeah.
so many on campus
Yeah.
jobs. और मेरी second sister US में थी, which made it a little easy for me to come here
Okay.
and think about, plan about my studies because she has already done it.
Okay.
So for me, I had a clear picture of how things work, कितने पैसे लगेंगे, कहाँ रहना है, क्या करना है, सब
क्योंकि
कुछ
ऑलरेडी उसने
knew
एक्सपीरियंस
about
कर
it.
रखा था, तो
So we
पूरा
already
पता
knew
था।
about it.
ठीक है। तो आई नो तुमने एक ब्रीफ दिया, बट लेट्स टॉक इन डिटेल। सो 10th में हाउ मच, लाइक व्हाट वर यू, अ वेरी ब्राइट किड?
I
पढ़ाई में
was a
कैसे?
very normal kid.
ओके।
I was very like normal in studies. मैं बिल्कुल भी not smart, I would say. I was smart, street smart,
Yeah.
because I had work experience. And
10th में कितने परसेंट थे तुम्हारे?
good question. वो नहीं बताऊंगी मैं.
नहीं बता सकते हो.
नहीं, नहीं.
नहीं. This will give people. So the whole point, मुझे तो सब पता है, but the whole point of doing is क्योंकि जैसे I was also not 10th में I was okay.
10th में मेरे को 70s में आए थे.
Okay.
और 12th में भी 70s में आए थे. और फिर मैं पूछना मत.
क्योंकि
फिर मैंने स्टार्ट कर दिया था जॉब करना और पैसे आने लगे थे then.
क्योंकि 10th में I was also one of the brightest kid में 9 point कुछ था. फिर 12th में I sunk very bad. I got 62%. तो बहुत क्वेश्चंस लोगों को ये भी आते हैं कि हमारे नंबर अच्छे नहीं है, तो इसलिए ये क्वेश्चन.
No, I think if you are a normal kid and if you like studying, it's not about, like, when I came in college, I loved what I did. Like, doing management stuff was my forte. So I enjoyed studying and working because of my work experience. जो मैं पढ़ाई कर रही थी, BCom, बैचलर्स इन कॉमर्स, वो was very this for me because मैं समझ पा रही थी कि मैं पढ़ाई जो कर रही हूँ
वही तुम
वो
साथ
मैं
साथ एक्सपीरियंस
भी कर रही हूँ.
राइट.
Yeah.
सो तुमने 10th किया, तुमने 12th किया, उसके बाद तुमने नॉर्मल ग्रेजुएशन किया 3 साल का, एंड देन यू डिसाइडेड कि क्योंकि यूएस आना था तो तुमने डिसाइड
Diploma
किया कि
करती
1
हूँ.
साल का कोर्स किया. मीनवाइल यू वर अर्निंग एज वेल.
Yeah.
ठीक है. तो नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट कि जब ये प्रोसेस स्टार्ट हुआ, क्योंकि बहुत स्टूडेंट्स को डाउट होता है कि ये प्रोसेस कैसे स्टार्ट करें, लाइक व्हाट इज द स्टेप्स. तो टॉक मी अबाउट योर स्टेप्स. हाउ डिड यू डिसाइड कि कौन सा कोर्स करना है पहले, फिर कौन से कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेना है, वो तुमने कैसे शॉर्टलिस्ट किए कॉलेज, उसके बाद क्या क्या फैक्टर्स थे. जैसे हम लोग जैसे मिडिल क्लास से आते हैं तो फीस एक बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर
Factor
होता है, लोकेशन, बिकॉज तुम्हारी सिस्टर यहाँ थी तो शायद लोकेशन का. तो टॉक मी अबाउट दैट. कैसे तुमने सबसे पहले प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट कैसे डिसाइड किया, उसके बाद तुमने कॉलेज कैसे चूज किया, एंड देन वील टॉक अबाउट योर वीजा जर्नी व्हिच इज आल्सो वेरी
Interesting.
इंटरेस्टिंग. यस.
So, talking about the courses, I was looking for something in management, like kuch management related, something that I do not have to study so much.
Okay.
And जहाँ पे मुझे experience भी मिले और मैं जिसमें मुझे interest है वो मैं pursue कर सकूँ. And project management was one of the top courses that I was interested in. मैंने coursework सब कुछ कॉलेज की वेबसाइट पे जाके मिल जाता है. every detail, they have every detail on the website.
Okay.
And I think for me, it was, I had a soft corner for Northeastern University because मेरी बहन वहाँ से graduate हो चुकी है and it is a good college. I did get a lot of other options as well. Marketing was something, the other factor that I was looking for, something in a course in marketing. Marketing management करना भी एक option था, but मैंने वो नहीं किया और project management मैंने choose किया.
ओके. सो ये हो गया कोर्स वर्क का बात कि
Coursework का
तुमने
बात,
प्रोजेक्ट
हाँ.
मैनेजमेंट. अब नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न के अलावा, बिकॉज जब हम अप्लाई करते हैं तो वी आर नॉट सर्टेन कि इस कॉलेज में एडमिशन मिल जाएगा. मतलब ऑफ कोर्स वी वांट टू गेट इनटू सम कॉलेजेस, बट वी
I was certain कि मुझे नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न में मिल जाएगा.
हां, बट स्टिल तुमने कुछ और
सारी
colleges
और
में-
यूनिवर्सिटीज में भी अप्लाई किया
Okay.
था. आई गॉट 3 एडमिट्स
Okay.
इन
Total
प्रोजेक्ट
कितना-
मैनेजमेंट.
total कितना तुमने
टोटल
किया?
मैंने 5-6 एप्लीकेशंस किए थे बिकॉज आई वेंट थ्रू अ कंसल्टेंसी इन इंडिया. और वो कंसल्टेंसी सेम एज यूजुअल मेरी बहन ने
Okay.
वहाँ से सब प्रोसेस किया था. तो दे न्यू what courses do you want, they give you some options, they tell you about, oh, you have studied this, then you can go for this course and this is what can interest you. So these were the things that happened during that process.
सो जस्ट सो ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स नो कि क्योंकि बहुत वेग होता है. हम लोग जब इंडिया से आ रहे होते हैं हमें कोई आइडिया नहीं होता क्या करना है, कहाँ जाना है, कैसे करना है. तो देर आर दीज कंसल्टेंसीज जो आपको हेल्प करती हैं. बट इस कंसल्टेंसी पे भी एक बहुत कंट्रोवर्शियल थॉट्स हैं लोगों का. कई लोग सोचते हैं कि दे आर इंक्लाइंड बिकॉज कहीं इनका टाई अप होता है यूनिवर्सिटीज से, इनको पैसे मिलते हैं. आई हैव सीन स्टूडेंट्स जो ये बोलते हैं कि मेरी प्रोफाइल बहुत अच्छी थी बट दे स्टिल सजेस्टेड मी मीडियोकर यूनिवर्सिटीज क्योंकि उनका टाई अप. व्हाट्स योर थॉट ऑन दैट?
I think in when you're in India, you should be very specific. सारी consultancies घूमो और उसके बाद you take a decision of which consultancy to go through. And also, for example, LinkedIn is a very good option for the person. Like मेरी बहन थी तो मुझे पता था this consultancy is good.
Yeah.
But for students who do not have anybody here,
Yeah.
they can actually connect on LinkedIn through various people in the US. Connect with them, ask them questions. How was the process? What did you do? Did you go through any consultancy? What was your journey? Having conversations is very important. Doing these kind of research is very important.
राइट सो या दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, क्योंकि बहुत सारी कंसल्टेंसीज खुल गई, बहुत सारी, एंड बीइंग स्टूडेंट, और सब लोग कहीं ना कहीं आपका
Exactly.
पैसा लेने के लिए बैठे हुए हैं। तो बीइंग स्टूडेंट से आपको बहुत जरूरी है कि यू डू योर थॉरो रिसर्च एंड यू मेक श्योर कि जो कंसल्टेंसी के साथ आप जा रहे हो
That
आप
is legit.
या
This is very
एग्जैक्टली
important.
एग्जैक्टली, मैं भी बहुत कंसल्टेंसी में घूमा, और रितिका ने भी ऐसे ही बोला कि बहुत कंसल्टेंसी में घूमने के बाद यू डिसाइड वन। और ये आपको पता उससे भी लगता है कि जाते ही अगर वो आपका प्रोफाइल पे पूरा ध्यान नहीं दे रहे, सीधे आपको कॉलेज बोल रहे हैं हाँ ये कोर्स कर लो, ये कर लो, क्योंकि उनके टायर पे उनको पैसा मिलेगा, दैट मीन्स दे आर नॉट लेजिट। बट वो
Yeah.
अगर तुम्हारा प्रॉपर प्रोफाइल देख रहे हैं, फिर सजेस्ट कर रहे हैं, देन यू कैन गो थ्रू देम, और ऑफ कोर्स रिव्यूज के लिए यू कैन आस्क पीपल हु हैव बीन थ्रू दोस कंसल्टेंसीज।
Yeah.
ओके, सो तुमने कोई एग्जाम्स दिए थे फॉर गेटिंग इनटू नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न?
Yeah. So I did prepare for my GRE
ओके
and I did prepare for TOEFL.
ओके
And तब कोविड चल रहा था.
Uh-huh.
My intake was supposed to be 2020 or 21.
अच्छा
Sorry, 20 or 19.
ओके
But I didn't take that intake because इंडिया में इतना
कोविड
कोविड
हो गया था।
इतना सब कुछ चल रहा था. So we took a decision that let's do 2020 December. बट वो नहीं हो पाया बिकॉज आगे जो मैं बताऊंगी उसके लिए. पर हाँ ये सोचा था.
ओके, सो जीआरई, अपने प्रोफाइल के बारे में थोड़ा बताओ। जीआरई
जीआरई के लिए मैंने बहुत मेहनत की, बट लकीली जब कोविड चल रहा था नॉर्थ
Wave off हो
ईस्टर्न
गए थे।
ने वेव ऑफ कर दिया था, तो दैट डिडंट मैटर.
Yeah.
एंड आई थिंक राइट नाउ ऑल्सो जीआरई इज नॉट लाइक फॉर प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट कोर्सेज you do not need
So
GRE.
this is just for CPS, शायद CPS में अभी पता नहीं, we are not updated,
Yeah.
but शायद GRE नहीं मांग रहे, but for other colleges you still need to go and give GRE.
Yeah.
तो TOEFL में क्या मार्क्स आए थे तुम्हारे?
टोफेल में आई डोंट रिमेम्बर एग्जैक्टली. मैंने टोफेल दिया था, पर टोफेल देने नहीं जा पाई थी, तो घर से ड्यूलिंगो भी आया था, तो ड्यूलिंगो दिया था. आई डू नॉट रिमेम्बर एग्जैक्टली हाउ मच डिड आई स्कोर, बट हाँ एटलीस्ट मुझे इनटेक में मुझे एक्सेप्ट कर ले उतना तो स्कोर पाए.
Okay. So generally, to get admitted into any master's course, you have to appear for 3 exams, which is your GRE or कोई भी एक language proficiency. That can be TOEFL, that can be
Duolingo.
IELTS, that can be Duolingo, और अगर कोई college का अपना अपना test है तो आप
So
वो भी
some
देते हो।
colleges, I'm sorry, some colleges do not accept Duolingo,
Uh-huh.
but Northeastern did at that point because nobody was ready to go out and give these exams. So तब Duolingo was accepted. So मैंने Duolingo दिया था.
Okay, so तुमने अप्लाई किया, you got admit from 3 universities, of course you wanted to come to Northeastern. उसके बाद का प्रोसेस क्या होता है? Once you apply, उसके बाद का क्या प्रोसेस?
So once you apply
Once
to
you get an
these,
acceptance.
okay, once I got the acceptance, then is all the visa things that you do, visa
I think you have to get
applications.
I-20 before that.
Ha, I-20, yes, you have to get your I-20. I don't remember the process. It's already been
Yeah,
3 years.
yes.
तो I-20 आ गया, पैसे दिखाने होते बैंक में, एंड देन पैसे दिखाने होते हैं बैंक में. That's a
Very
process
important
again.
factor.
That's a process
Yeah.
again. And जैसे तुम अपने statements US भेजते हो कॉलेज में, they take some time to review it and then they send you the I-20.
Okay.
And that is a very important part for your visa application. When you give the interview, it's a very important part.
या सो I-20 की जो डिटेल्स हैं, तुम्हारी सर्विस आईडी, ये आगे जाके आपको अपने वीजा प्रोसेस में जब आप DS-160 भरते हो उसमें वो सारी चीजें डालनी होती है. सो दैट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
So this process was easy because मेरी बहन ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे थी एंड कंसल्टेंसी ने भी मुझे DS-160 क्या प्रोसेस होता है, जैसे तुमको एक्सेप्टेंस मिलता है उसके बाद तुम्हारे क्या स्टेप्स है, DS-160 बनना है, I-20 के लिए अप्लाई करना है, क्या क्या होता है, these all process has been like they guide you through this process.
ओके, सो या यहाँ पे अगेन बहुत अच्छी कंसल्टेंसी का फर्क आता है, क्योंकि कई कंसल्टेंसी क्या होता है, जैसे आपको एक्सेप्टेंस आ गया, दे प्रोबेबली जस्ट थ्रो यू अंडर द बस, बट सम कंसल्टेंसी डू टेक यू ऑल द वे. सो तुम्हारा I-20 आ गया, तुमने फंड्स दिखाए, फंड्स दिखा के तुमने I-20 ले लिया, फिर आता है वीजा का बात, विच इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी. सो
Yeah.
टॉक मी थ्रू योर वीजा जर्नी. कैसा था, कैसा वो लोगों से अलग था? सो टॉक मी अबाउट दैट.
So I was been rejected thrice,
3 times.
3 times.
Okay.
Okay, and my first visa interview, I still remember that. Worst. So the first time when I went to the interview, there was an old man who was taking my interview. I was in the line. He rejected one person ahead of me, and that person got rejected. She was a girl, I guess. I don't remember exactly कौन था, क्योंकि वो reject ही कानों में सुनाई देता है. One pro tip in life, whenever you give your visa interview, never listen to anybody's answers.
Right.
Because you have a different profile and they have a different
Right.
profile, and the answers are different accordingly.
Right.
So I was nervous but I was confident too. ऐसा कोई reason नहीं था कि reject करना चाहिए. So he asked me, hi, good morning, how are you? I said, hi, good morning, how are you? He asked me, okay, what did you study? I said, I studied bachelor's in commerce. Oh, I see that you worked for Connections HR. How long did you work? Were you studying while you were working? I said, yeah, I was studying while I was working. And he asked me for my all my assets too. And
Okay.
then he said that your visa. He just gave me a slip and my passport back.
That means
That means you're rejected. They do not say that you're rejected. They just give you the slip.
Yeah.
I think it's a pink slip, and
Something
once you get your
21G.
passport back, that means you're
Yes,
rejected.
yes.
So
That's right.
bottom line, that's
Yeah.
you're
So
rejected.
if the consulate is keeping your passport, तो दो रीजंस हो सकते हैं. एक कि आपका तुरंत अप्रूव हो गया. कई कंडीशंस, कई केसेस
कभी-कभी hold पे भी होता है.
वो आपको कुछ और इन्फॉर्मेशंस मांगते हैं, फिर देन यू सेंड देम दैट एंड देन दे अप्रूव इट. बट मोस्टली अगर उन्होंने पासपोर्ट रख लिया सो यू आर थ्रू. तो पहला ये कौन से कॉन्सुलेट में था?
ये मुंबई में था.
Okay.
And then what my biggest mistake was, because I wanted to come in the December intake. No, not the December. I'm sorry. Yeah, I think it was the
Yeah.
December intake, because fall मैंने miss कर दिया था because of COVID. Then December was the plan
This is, we
that
are talking about 2020.
2020
Yeah.
December. तो मैंने बोला कि I have to go December 2020 because I'm wasted
Yeah.
a lot of time. Now I do not want to waste my a year at least.
Yeah.
So then I took the other date because my consultancy said that okay, let's just take another date and go through. And it was just like 4 days after the rejection. I took the date and I went for the interview. She asked me 2 questions. She said that were you studying while you were working?
ये तुम्हारा दूसरा interview.
Yeah, were you working while you were studying? I'm
Yeah.
sorry. And I said yes, and she said that you're rejected.
सिर्फ one
That's it.
question.
And
That-
that's it. That's one question. And she said, and she gave me my passport back, and I had to leave again. There's somebody who said, "Congrats, I got my visa," and it's like
ओके सो शायद हमने थोड़ा रश कर दिया. तो पहला तुम्हारा रिजेक्शन हुआ, उसके कितने दिनों बाद?
4 दिन के बाद.
4 दिनों के बाद.
एग्जैक्ट 4 दिन के बाद मैंने दूसरी डेट ले ली थी.
ओके. तो शायद तुम्हें कहीं ये भी लगता है कि ये भी कहीं
आई
ना
थिंक
कहीं
that is
reason है?
one thing, because मैंने तीसरा भी दिसंबर में ही लिया था डेट.
Okay.
After 10 days or 12 days, I took a date again in the month of December, and then the person asked me 2-3
एक
questions.
मिनट पहले, ये जो सेकंड इंटरव्यू था तुम्हारा, ये कहाँ पे था?
मुंबई में.
मुंबई कॉन्सुलेट. 4 दिन बाद.
हाँ, 4 दिन के बाद.
सो जनरली क्या होता है कि व्हेन यू गेट वंस योर वीजा रिजेक्टेड, सो दे सी कि नेक्स्ट टाइम आप जब आ रहे हो तो क्या चेंज किया आपने. सो ये जो 4 दिन का पीरियड था, दैट वाज शॉर्ट. तो दैट्स व्हाई आई थिंक उन्हें लगा होगा कुछ प्रोफाइल में चेंज नहीं हुआ और सिर्फ एक क्वेश्चन पे.
And then she said that then she said something that she just said something, and I had to leave then. And then the third time, and the person, so I got the same lady again during the third
Third
time.
time.
The second person, the second
Okay.
lady who was interviewing me in the second round, again in the third time I got the same
And
lady.
this was again Mumbai consulate.
Yes, Mumbai.
Okay.
And then they said that I have taken your interview, so I cannot take your interview
Achha.
again. Now you have to go to another person. Then I went to a person right next to the lady. And then he asked me a few questions, and he gave my passport back. And this time I was irritated, annoyed, disheartened. I was like, what is the reason?
Yeah.
Give me the reason.
And so एक
They
बहुत-
do not tell you the
Exactly.
reason.
एक बहुत अजीब बात ये है कि वो आपको रीजन नहीं बताते हैं. They just give you the passport back and a slip, और फिर आप समझो कि आपने क्या गलती की है.
Exactly.
बट आई थिंक कि ये बहुत बड़ा रीजन हो सकता है कि बैक टू बैक, जैसे रितिका ने बोला, पहला दूसरा 4 दिन बाद, तीसरा 12 दिन बाद. सो ये फैक्टर हो सकता है कि कुछ प्रोफाइल में चेंज नहीं होगा. एंड
Exactly.
इट आल्सो साउंड्स डेस्परेट थोड़ा कि ये सामने वाला बहुत
जाना ही
desperate
चाहता है. And I think also the reason behind that was because when I completed my 12th, and जब मैं bachelor's of commerce कर रही थी, I started working. That could also be a major reason. That's what I feel, that because thrice I've been asked that same question,
Yeah.
that were you studying while you were you working while
Yeah.
you were studying?
Yeah.
And I was like, yes, I was.
Yeah.
But they didn't know that I had the course that which I selected was aligned to what I was working.
Yeah.
It had a lot of similar things. That's why I did project. I selected project management as the course.
सो ये 3 इंटरव्यूज में किसी में तुमसे ये जो हम कहते हैं फाइनेंशियल्स दिखाने होते हैं, किसी ने तुमसे पेपर्स मांगे थे?
हाँ, एक बार पेपर्स मांगे थे, पेपर्स सब कुछ देख लिए थे, बट देन ही वाज लाइक नो, ही गेव मी माय पासपोर्ट बैक. आई डोंट थिंक सो एनी प्रॉब्लम विद द फाइनेंशियल बिकॉज इट वाज अप टू डेट.
ओके.
या
ठीक है, तो तुम्हारा थर्ड टाइम भी रिजेक्ट हो गया, तो उस टाइम क्या थॉट्स आ रहे थे? मतलब तुम घर पे बात कर रही होगी, अरुणा से बात कर रही होगी, क्या फीलिंग्स थी कि मतलब कई, बिकॉज आई एम आस्किंग दिस बिकॉज बहुत बच्चे गिव अप कर देते हैं, एक रिजेक्शन 2 रिजेक्शन के बाद लगता है कि नहीं हो पाएगा यार, बट 3 रिजेक्शन के बाद अगेन टू होल्ड योरसेल्फ बैक एंड देन टू ट्राई अगेन टेक्स अ लॉट. तो क्या उस टाइम चल रहा था, कैसे?
So when I was rejected for the first time, I remember मेरे डैडी आए थे साथ में, and we were in the cab, and there's this cab person who said, "Oh my God, बहुत लोगों का rejection हुआ." मैंने बोला, आप बात ही मत कीजिए, अभी मुंह बंद कीजिए. And I don't know. Second, that was the time when Aruna was travel back to, she was coming back to India, and उसके हाथ में सारी bottles थी जो टूट गई थी जब पता चला था कि मैं रिजेक्ट हो चुकी हूँ. तो उसने बोला कोई नहीं, सेकेंड टाइम जब करेंगे आई विल कम विथ यू, not to the visa office, but I'll stand outside, but you'll be good. Then the second time I went with Aruna, again I was rejected. Third time, they did not, nobody in my family wanted to come with me to the interview because I was behaving like somebody was dead. That's what they said. I was like, why did they reject me? I had no clue. There was no reason to reject. And yes, that's how it was. The experience was worse. Felt like, why was I rejected? Is there any problem? When you do not know the reason, you are pissed off,
Right.
right?
Right. So 3 attempt हो गया, उसके बाद you holded yourself back and talk us through your 4th attempt.
So after the third rejection, I and my sister decided that let's just hold off this right now. Let's wait.
Okay.
So then we said that now fall is the time. Let's give some time and then prepare. I prepared myself. There's nothing to prepare, but then again, going through the interview questions and all of it, I prepared myself. And this time, the consultant, my Indian consultant, said that let's not take Mumbai.
Okay.
Let's go to Delhi.
Acha, so they suggested this.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah, they suggested just change the consulate, not Mumbai. In Delhi is the right, because Delhi gives good selections. Now I went to Delhi. I was nervous, and I went there. The thing about Delhi is the US, the embassy in Delhi is so good. I would recommend people to go there because the staff there treats you well. First, they do talk to you. In Mumbai, it's versa. Nobody talks to you. It feels like you are attending somebody who's dead. You're going to their ceremony. Mumbai is worst. And I went to Delhi. There were people who were talking. It's like, hi, how are you? And all of that. And people were laughing too in the embassy, which was a good thing because you get that vibes too, right? So I went. Then they switched my line. They were like, ye line mein nahi, ye line mein jao. And then I was like, God, what to do now? And then मेरे आगे 2 लड़कियां थी, reject.
दोनों reject.
दोनों reject. And then I'm like, मेरा हो चुका है. इस बार नहीं.
अब मैं अमेरिका नहीं
इस बार नहीं तो नहीं. अब ऑस्ट्रेलिया ही ऑप्शन है. तो मैं गई. उसने मुझे क्वेश्चन पूछा, how does your work align with the course that you're doing?
अच्छा, bachelor's का same question.
Yeah. Work experience in India. The work that you did in India. How does it align to your master's degree?
Okay.
And then I was like, I gave my answer. He asked me one more question. Who's your sponsor? I said my sponsor is so and so. And he saw my financials too. And then he said, your visa is approved.
Finally.
And he kept the passport. And I didn't know how to react. I was like, do I shake hands or what do I do? I'm like, thank you so much. I did that. I was like, thank you so much. You made my day. And I left. And then my father was waiting outside. and then I called my sister and we cried about it because after so long,
Yeah.
it that was a process.
Yeah.
I had things easier because I had my sister in Boston.
Right.
Things were easier, right? I didn't get the part of struggle.
Yeah.
So this was my part of struggle.
Yeah. So सबको अपने पार्ट का स्ट्रगल मिलता है बिकॉज थिंग्स वर स्मूथ फॉर रितिका जब वो यहाँ आ गई बॉस्टन में बट उसके पहले बिकॉज शी हैड टू हैड दैट स्ट्रगल तो दैट वाज हर स्ट्रगल
Yeah.
ओके सो तुम्हारा वीजा हो गया सब हो गया एंड फाइनली यू पैक्ड योर बैग्स
Imagine. So now I'm at the airport.
Yeah.
Okay. I know I'm just going to my sister, going to stay with my sister.
Yeah.
Then at the airport, my bags were not even heavy. Like I had only little clothes and nothing. सब लोग क्या क्या लेके आते, बर्तन लेके आते, ये लेके आते. मेरे बैग में कुछ नहीं था ऐसा. मैं सब सिक्योरिटी चेक आराम से हो गया था and yeah, it was good.
सो मैं और रितिका सेम फ्लाइट में थे कोइंसिडेंसली
Oh.
सो वी केम मैं दिल्ली से कतर आया वो मुंबई से कतर आई एंड देन कतर से वी हैड सेम फ्लाइट फ्रॉम कतर टू बॉस्टन फिर बॉस्टन में उतरे टिल देन वी डिड नॉट नो ईच अदर इनफैक्ट
I think so. I think there's one friend that I traveled with. Like I did connect with her. The worst part about me is I was really bad about one thing. I didn't connect with any people from my course. So pro tip for y'all is that do connect on Facebook.
Yeah.
Do reach out to people from your course.
Yeah.
Do make friends. Do know people whom you are going to stay with, or maybe is going to be in your course. That's a very important thing to know people. I didn't know anybody. I just knew 5 people, out of which one person was traveling with me, and she was friends with Vishal and Gary, and that's how, like, she was friends. She met Vishal, but I didn't speak to him. I didn't know him. Yeah.
सो तब हम लोग एक दूसरे को जानते नहीं थे और वाइस वर्सा टू व्हाट रितिका डिड हमारा एक ग्रुप बना हुआ था
और उसमें मैं added भी नहीं थी.
प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट का एंड देयर वर लॉट ऑफ पीपल एंड आई वाज वेरी एक्टिव इन देयर रितिका वाज नॉट देयर तो बट हमारा जो बैच था इट वाज गुड इन अ वे कि हमने पहले और दूसरे दिन ही ऑल थैंक्स टू समवन हु अरेंज दैट गेट टुगेदर तो हम सब मिले थे एक जगह एंड देन वी स्टार्टेड टू नो ईच अदर ताकि हम जब भी जाते थे क्योंकि व्हेन यू आर न्यू हियर यू नीड समवन यू नीड फेसेस यू नो सो वो बहुत अच्छा एक आइस ब्रेकर हो गया था सो अगली बार से आप जब भी कैंपस पे जा रहे थे यू विल सी सम फैमिलियर फेसेस यू विल टॉक टू ईच अदर तो ये फेज हो गया फिर ऑफ कोर्स तुम्हारे पास कुछ ज्यादा बताने को है नहीं इन टर्म्स ऑफ आने के बाद का
तो आने के बाद आने के बाद आई हैव समथिंग आने के बाद जो मेरे साथ फ्लाइट में ट्रैवल कर रही थी वो स्टेइंग इन ब्राइटन तो विच वाज अ गुड फैक्टर कि मेरे साथ कॉलेज जाने के लिए कोई तो था.
Brighton is far from where
Northeastern is. मैंने कॉलेज के नजदीक घर नहीं लिया था because my sister stayed in Brighton, so obviously I'm going to stay with her. And first time मैं कैब में गई थी guys और अब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि oh my god.
So initial honeymoon period होता है जब यहाँ पे आप आते हो लगता है कि अरे अब तो बहुत सब कुछ enjoy कर सकते हैं बट वो ज़्यादा दिन टिकता नहीं है.
Yes.
तो now let's talk about the most interesting part जो बहुत लोग ये podcast देख रहे हैं वो जानना चाहते होंगे. So you were one of the people who got almost 8 to 9 on campus jobs. So रितिका को 8 या 9 ऑन कैंपस जॉब लगे
और मैंने लोगों को लगाई भी है बहुत सारे लोगों को.
तो 8 या 9 ऑन कैंपस जॉब लगना इज वेरी टफ क्योंकि जनरली लोगों को एक भी नहीं लगता है एंड पीपल स्ट्रगल कईयों को तो ऐसा भी हो जाता है कि पूरा टाइम निकल जाता है 2 साल और नहीं लगता ऑन कैंपस. तो पहला ऑन कैंपस तुम्हारा कब लगा था कितने दिन बाद. सो वी स्टार्टेड इन सितंबर के बाद हमारा हनीमून फेज सबका चल रहा था. सब यहाँ वहाँ घूम रहे थे, नॉट घूम रहे थे बट वी वर एक्सप्लोरिंग बॉस्टन, हाउ बॉस्टन इज एंड गोइंग टू कॉलेज. एंड so one thing which I want to tell is everybody has a bad perception about Northeastern. That Northeastern में तुम आ गए तो तुमको on campus नहीं मिल सकती है. तो usually Indian students do not go to the university, they spend their time at home. And I was one of them. I didn't go to the university. Go to the university and see what opportunities are there where people are working. तुम्हारा थोड़ा दूर था.
Yes, दूर भी था. Traveling was very difficult and yes, traveling was a very important factor. दूर था but I still went to the university where I got my on campus. I didn't want to go. Why? Because I knew nobody gets on campus in Northeastern.
Did Aruna had one when she was?
No.
Okay, yeah.
She got RSO
Yeah.
and she got one disability वाला जो लिखना होता है disabled people लोगों के
But
लिए,
not something
but not
concrete.
something on, yeah, she didn't do on campus.
So तुम बॉस्टन आ गई और उसके बाद फिर पहली ऑन कैंपस तुम्हारी कितने दिन बाद लगी यहाँ आने के बाद?
I think it was after 6 months.
6 months.
6 months. हाँ, समर में लगी थी मेरी, समर से अप्रैल में लगी थी फर्स्ट ऑन कैंपस.
अप्रैल में. सो मतलब सितंबर में हम लोग आए थे, तो सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, ऑलमोस्ट 8-9 महीने बाद पहली ऑन कैंपस लगी. और पहली ऑन कैंपस से लेके 7वीं 8वीं ऑन कैंपस लगने के बीच का कितना ड्यूरेशन है?
2 months, 2-3 months.
2-3 months. तो अब लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दैट स्ट्रेटजी. ऐसा क्या अलग किया तुमने इन 8-9 महीनों में जो तुम इन 2 महीनों में जो तुम इतने 8-9 महीने में नहीं कर पा रही थी?
So to be honest, फर्स्ट मेरा मोटिवेशन ये था कि मुझे ऑन कैंपस मिली. उसके पहले वाला मोटिवेशन ये था कि विशाल को ऑन कैंपस लग चुकी थी और उसने वर्क डे के थ्रू अप्लाई किया था एंड ही वेंट थ्रू 3 राउंड्स ऑफ इंटरव्यू एंड आफ्टर दैट ही गॉट हिज फर्स्ट ऑन कैंपस जॉब और उसकी सैलरी पर आवर $22 थी. And that hit hard to all our friends that, oh, you can get an on campus through Workday too.
Yeah.
It's just like some position, you have your luck, you have to try your luck. Start every day at 7 o'clock, just apply 7, 8, 9 till 10 o'clock. Postings are done on Workday.
Yeah.
Apply through
Any
Workday.
works, you mean?
Any works.
Yeah.
Yeah. You get to know Workday, any
Yeah.
works. Workday is the platform you go and apply.
Yes. So यहाँ पे आने के बाद, नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न में एडमिशन होने के बाद, इफ यू हैव टू अप्लाई फॉर इंटरनल जॉब्स, तो यहाँ का पोर्टल है वर्कडे पे, वो होस्ट होता है. इट्स कॉल्ड एनीवर्क्स. तो बहुत लोग ऐसे कहते हैं कि एनीवर्क्स पे होता नहीं है, विच इज ऑल्सो ट्रू समवॉट.
Yes.
क्योंकि बहुत सारी जॉब पोस्टिंग तब आती है जब वो ऑलरेडी फिल हो चुकी होती है, जस्ट टू शो दैट यू आर हायरिंग समवन.
Yeah, you can post a link to for Workday. People can go who have gone selected and
Yeah.
got everything is done before coming here. 1 month before you get the access,
Yes.
or 15 days prior,
Yes.
you can start applying.
Yes.
One thing that we didn't do is didn't apply
For
for RSO. If you have got your acceptance letter, everything is done, all set to come here before a month. You go to Workday, apply for jobs
Yes.
like RSO, disability jobs where you just go and write for people during their classes when your class is not there. That time you go there, like you can apply to Workday.
सो हम लोगों ने ये चीज नहीं की थी, हम लोगों ने अप्लाई नहीं किया था बिकॉज सब बिजी हो जाते हैं बहुत सारी चीजों में,
Exactly.
शॉपिंग में, तैयारी में. बट यू शुड टेक सम टाइम आउट. ऐसे कई फ्रेंड्स हैं हमारे जिनको यहाँ आने से पहले ही ऑन कैंपस लग गई थी. सो RSO इज लक बेस्ड, सो यू अप्लाई एंड यू गेट लॉटरी पिक्ड.
I think RSO is luck based and also अगर तुम नए स्टूडेंट्स हो और तुम आ रहे हो 1 महीना प्रायर, RSO लग जाती है न्यू स्टूडेंट्स को.
Yeah.
तो RSO is a very good opportunity for you to
Yes.
apply when you are in India and you're planning to come to the US.
Yes, because RSO
Yeah.
एक ऐसी जॉब है जो दैट लास्ट फॉर होल 2 years.
2
उसमें
years,
ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको निकाल देते हैं अनलेस यू आर डूइंग एवरीथिंग राइट, कुछ गलत नहीं कर रहे हो. सो इफ यू गेट इट, इट्स वेरी गुड. अनलेस यू प्लान टू गो टू इंडिया बीच में, और फिर कुछ उसके रूल्स होते हैं दैट यू विल गेट टू नो लेटर. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट योर स्ट्रेटजी कि क्या स्ट्रेटजी तुमने अपनाई जो तुम्हें 2 महीनों में 8 ऑफर मिले, और वो कहाँ से मिले. आई नो यू माइट नॉट बी रिमेम्बरिंग ऑल ऑन टॉप ऑफ योर हेड, बट वो कहाँ से ऑफर थे, और क्या ऐसा किया जो बाकी के जो बच्चे आने वाले हैं, जो अभी पढ़ रहे हैं, उनको करना चाहिए सो दैट दे कैन गेट दीज अपॉर्चुनिटीज.
Yes. So once after he got a job, we were like, okay, yeah, we can try. I think हमको भी मिल सकती है. Let's go to the campus, explore a few opportunities. और तभी सब लोग बोलते थे कि वो लास्टेंस जाके you have to meet Bob, ask him that are you hiring, and क्या मतलब you have to go to the campus, explore कौन सी ऑफिसेज है, कौन क्या काम करता है, क्या यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स हायर करते हैं. एंड ये मेरी स्ट्रैटेजी ये थी कि सब जगह, सब ऑफिसेज जाओ, ask them, not once, not twice, thrice. Every morning 7 o'clock I should leave from Brighton, reach college by 8. Everybody starts working at 9. Go to every office and ask them, are you looking for a student to work? Are you looking for a student? Are you looking for a student? And my search was basically first I got my offer from Volastins. Now here, I think I made connections. Like my friend used to work for Volastins, and he said that, you know what, he's not a good friend that I used to meet every day, but I made sure I did follow ups with him. He can I come when you are working? At least just say tell Bob that, oh, you know what, she's looking for a job. And what I did was just tell Bob a sad story and that I'm looking for a job. I have to manage my expenses and I'm really like in the need of a job. And तो बॉब ने मुझे जॉब नहीं दी थी.
Okay.
बॉब ने मुझे एसएसएन दिया था.
Okay.
Because there are a lot of places where they do not hire you just because you do not have an SSN. Now this job was basically एक parking lot है North Eastern में, Columbus Garage. That's basically, I went there, I asked them, and they said that, oh, you're looking for a job, but do you have an SSN? I said, no. They said, we won't give you a job without SSN. And then I was like, okay, now I need to get SSN. I want to get a job. And they were paying pretty decent. Then Bob gave me an offer. I got my SSN, and luckily there's somebody again, a friend who got a job in NU Thames.
Okay.
Now NU Thames was a major factor where they helped me get an office job. So my friend was working for NU Thames. He was a recruiter over there. He was a student with me again. I used to help him with some, for example,
Again,
if he
connections
needs
work.
connections work. Northeastern, he was in the same course,
Yeah.
and if he wanted some help regarding assignments or anything,
Yeah.
I would help him with that. And we made connections. Like, you need to know a lot of people, but how do you make connections? Now go, just do not ask for jobs like, oh, are you hiring? Hi, I'm a student, I just came in fall, wondering if you're hiring students. Not now, maybe later. When can I come? Do you have any opportunities? Would there be a future opportunity? And every time you go, do not ask for jobs. Just go and just say a hi. I was just passing by, I wanted to say a hi.
Yeah.
That's it. Do not go and ask for jobs every time, because there's also one thing which I feel is, if you go and ask for jobs at a point, they're like, what the hell?
Yeah.
There are a few people who come to my office right now,
Yeah.
and we do not have opportunities, but just makes that connection by saying hi, how are you, what are you doing, nice to meet you. Just that conversation helps also.
So-
Now
Yeah, sorry
Yeah.
to cut you. Just wanted to give a brief on this कि होता क्या है कि these people who are hiring and Northeastern has lakhs and lakhs of international students. तो हम जैसे बहुत लोग ऐसे जाके उनको अप्रोच करते हैं और ऐसे पूछते हैं जॉब है जॉब है जॉब है, सो दे गेट इरिटेटेड ऑन दैट. So you have to change your strategy जो रितिका ने किया कि instead of just going and asking that do you have job, you go and ask that okay how are you, or I mean build a connection. Maybe अभी job ना हो but फ्यूचर में when they'll have a vacancy they'll remember you. That's what happened with her. So एक क्वेश्चन मेरा इस पे ये था कि बहुत लोग ये सोचते हैं कि यार हम जाएंगे ऐसे तो कैसे लोग रिएक्ट करेंगे. सो व्हाट वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस? जैसे तुम जाती थी, लोगों से बात करती थी, एक तो डोर टू डोर जाना थोड़ा awkward लगता ही
I
है.
think if you are a student, it doesn't matter if you go. It's not like door to door. It's just like everybody have their offices. I'll tell you the name of on campuses that I went to. So there's a website where they tell you what on campus jobs that you can apply,
Okay.
and which offices can you work. Okay, I made a list of all these 15 places that hired students for work. Now I'd go tick every box. I went to Lessons, I went to NUTM, I went to Reprography, I went to the Columbus Garage, I went to School of Law, I went to the whole campus. Now tick every day. You can't go every day, one day, just choose where you want to go.
Yeah.
And Matthews Arena, I went
Yeah.
there. They hire only boys sometimes because there's so much work related, like physical activities that is required. So I did go there. Every day there's a strategy. Okay, these are the like list of 3 to 4 on
Yeah.
campus places that I'll go and speak to them. And now coming to student temps, how did I get to student temps and what do they do? So now my friend was working, but it didn't help that much. Obviously, there are a lot of students who go to student temps. Student temps basically takes your resume. If you have good work experience like 2 years, I had 4 years of experience, management experience, which helps a lot as a student because they hire you as office assistant, program coordinator, or something like that. So that experience helps a lot. Now I went there. I spoke to the manager right there because my friend was working, which made it a little easier for me. And I spoke to her. Now she said that she took my interview, and she wanted me to work there because I had the HR experience. But then things didn't work out. Now she made sure that I have opportunities. So now she took my interview. She referred me somewhere, and also like I went out of my way for them in the events. Like Student Temp would have an event where they tell you about what Student Temps is, what is it all about, and how do you submit your resume and all of that. There's an event going on, and I think not try to impress, but then getting involved in activities is very important. When there's this event where student temps had their stall installed in the I think it was in Curry. I was like, I went to everybody and told them about student temps. I was not working for them,
Yeah.
but then I made that effort to connect with April. April is the
Yeah.
manager's name. So she saw how kind of person I was, how did I communicate, and like how kind of person I am, and would I be a nice fit for some role that she'll refer. So that's how she referred me to Student Financial Services. That's the second on campus job that I got. And Wollaston's got my SSN.
Yeah.
Then went to last parking because they told me that you get your
Congratulations.
SSN, I'll give you a job. I went to last parking, got my job there. It was a process. Everybody has a process. It's usually 15 days that they require for all your documentation and all of it. Got my job. Now I did 10 hours in student financial services, did my 10 hours in last parking. Why? Because I wanted to work at both places, get that exposure, connections, did both on campus job. During that time, summer came into picture, and then Vishal's office, I applied for a position through Workday. While I was working, I continuously applied for other positions as well.
Yeah.
So now when I went to Workday, I saw a position. I think it was operations manager, right?
Yeah,
No,
sure.
operations analyst role.
Yeah.
I and my friend were competing, Gary.
Yeah.
We both were competing for that position, and we didn't get the opportunity. We were rejected at the fourth round, I guess.
Yeah.
Fourth round, we both got rejected. And the person who took my interview, the second round, her name was Tabitha. She works for the finance department at Northeastern. Now, finance department and student financial services both are different. Finance department, so Vishal was already working with the finance department. During an interview, I just said that, oh, I know Vishal from finance, and she also knew Vishal. And then when there was an opportunity in finance department, she reached out to Vishal saying, "Oh, do you know Ritika? We have an opportunity. Would she love to work with us?"
Yeah.
And that's when I didn't have to give an interview again.
Yeah.
I just got the opportunity.
Yeah.
And then I started working with finance department. Now there was summer. I had 3 on-campus jobs already. I just made sure that I worked for 10 hours in student financial services and 15 hours in the finance department and 10 hours or whatever 40 hours remaining.
Yeah.
In total, I could do 40 hours in summer. I just calculated and made sure I worked in all 3 departments. And then I always used to go to all the offices even if I got my opportunities. I was working, I still made sure that I make connections so that tomorrow if I do not have one opportunity, like one job also, I could just go and randomly ask and they could give me a job. And I was also like, now I have this कि मेरे को अब चाहिए ही सब जगह से ऑन कैंपस. 4 मिल गई है तो ऑलरेडी 4-5 मिल चुकी थी ऑलरेडी, तो अब मुझे करना है कुछ. Then I made connections in reprography. The manager is very good. We spoke. I didn't never ask him a job. I always used to go to the office and just say, "Hi, what's up? What are you doing?" And then that's how I got my friends a job.
Yeah.
everybody got their SSN, everybody got a job. 2-3 friends got a job. Then Dunkin was also one of the options. I didn't want to work for Dunkin because Dunkin has a lot of work that
And
you need to
also
do.
that after summers, because summers is only 2 months long,
Yeah.
you can only work 20 hours.
Yes.
And जहाँ पे अच्छा पैसा मिलता है, then you start working there, and then you have to say no to few jobs even if you have them. So that was also a constraint. तो the crux of whatever Ritika said is कि इंटर कनेक्शंस बनते गए. सो एक जगह आप गए, वहां आपने बात की, वहां से कनेक्शन बना, दूसरी जगह मिला, दूसरी से एक ऑफिस में मैं काम कर रहा था, सो वहां से कनेक्शन बना, फिर अंदर से तीसरे जॉब में कनेक्शन बना. सो दैट्स हाउ यू डू इट. आई मीन दैट्स इनिशियली सुनने में थोड़ा टफ लगता है, बट इट्स नॉट दैट वंस यू गो इन. यस प्लीज.
I think initially ऐसा भी लगता है कि क्या बोल रही है ये.
Yeah.
सब नहीं बोल रहे यार, मैं थक गया हूँ. पर मुझे ये था that Vishal has got a job and he has made sure that he got a $22 job. A student usually gets max $18. Max $18.
Yeah.
Am I correct?
Yeah.
And I was like, now I also have to get a job. If my friend is getting a job, he has that potential, same as I have a potential.
So it was kind of a competition in a healthy way.
Yeah, obviously.
And because we all, and then we made sure कि जितना भी हमसे हो सकता है, जिसको लगा सकते हैं, हमने लगाया भी अपने friend circle.
And that's how he also helped me a lot getting my co-op and my other on-campus jobs as well. Like there was one opportunity I do remember as a project coordinator at some program. I don't PMO department, right?
Yeah.
There's a project coordinator position. I didn't apply to that because I was doing so much. I forgot about it, and other friends did do that job. I emailed that person, and then person replied after like when I was searching for a co-op. That person replied saying, "Oh, I have a position in the marketing department." She reached out to Vishal saying that, and then Vishal referred me to the marketing department to Melissa, and then Melissa connected me to the marketing department, and that's how I got my part-time job as well as my co-op. I did my co-op over there. Yeah.
So मैंने और रितिका ने दोनों ने हमारा co-op जो होता है वो नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न से किया है. So उसके पीछे आइडिया ये था कि you stay in continuous touch. Like I had few others offers, she had few other offers as well. जहाँ हमें out of Boston जाना पड़ता, and then if we had to come back तो हमें Boston दोबारा आना पड़ता, दोबारा on campus के लिए struggle करना पड़ता.
I think our major priority was on campus के बाद co-op किया. Co-op के बाद हम वापस आए. And once you are doing co-op, you are used to getting that kind of money, and you have so many expenses, so many things going on. Fees भरनी है, ये करना है, वो करना है. So in our back of mind, we were like, okay, on campus नहीं मिली तो हम क्या करेंगे? So Northeastern paid decent.
Yeah.
And that's how we took the opportunity at Northeastern.
Co-op के बाद भी you have decent amount of time left. 9-10 महीने बचे होते हैं तुम्हारी डिग्री में. तो फिर वो 9-10 महीने क्या करना है. सो वो सोच के तुम्हें एक कैलकुलेटिव रिस्क लेना है. या तो ऐसा है कि आप कहीं बाहर जा रहे हो, आके आपके यहाँ पे जॉब गारंटीड है, सो यू कैन डू दैट. अगर है ऐसा कि तो बट वी टुक अ सेफर चॉइस बिकॉज वी वांटेड टू मेक श्योर कि पैसा आ रहा है, सो वी डिड दैट. सो या दैट्स प्रीटी मच इन शेल कि कैसे आपको स्ट्रैटेजी बनानी चाहिए और क्या करना चाहिए. सो ये
I think one factor is dedication. You just lose hope after some time. You're like, no, I'm not getting. That's not how things work. Nobody is here sitting here and be like, oh, Vishal is coming to my office, I'm giving him a job. Nobody is doing that. None of your friends will help you. None of the friends, like your close friends, are for sure helping you. But other friends, they would be like, okay, I'll just speak to my manager and see. Nobody helps you in
और इनिशियली जब आप सब सेम बोर्ड पे हो, किसी के पास भी नहीं है, तो कोई शायद उस कंडीशन में भी नहीं होता, उस पोजीशन में भी नहीं होता कि आपको हेल्प कर पाए. तो you have to make your own path.
And I think everybody is busy in their life so much that they are like, okay, fine, if she gets a job or he gets a job, fine, good for them, but I have my life too. You have to.
हाँ, मतलब ये भी एक फैक्टर है. इवन अभी भी हम लोग काफी लोग रीच आउट करते हैं कि हेल्प कर दो, बट हमें अब सच्चाई पता है अंदर की कि होगा तो ऑफ कोर्स कर सकते हैं, बट कई टाइम यू जस्ट डोंट हैव थिंग्स इन योर हैंड्स. इवन दो यू आर वर्किंग इनसाइड फॉर नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न, बट यू डोंट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन योर कंट्रोल. तो ये तो चलो बात हो गई तुम्हारी जॉब की, उसकी इंटर्नशिप के बाद ठीक है, यू गॉट अ फुल टाइम जॉब, ऑफ कोर्स वी नो. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट लाइफ आउटसाइड पढ़ाई इन यूएसए. सो कई फैक्टर्स हैं यहाँ पे जो बहुत कंसिडर करते हैं लोग, एंड इसके बाद आई विल आस्क यू अ सेट ऑफ सीरीज क्वेश्चंस, आस्क यू टू रेट एंड देन वील रैप अप. तो what is one of the major things you will say that once you come here you should consider? The kind of environment you live in, do you live closer to the college, do you live farther to the college, kinds of roommates you have, क्या decisions ऐसे हैं that could be a make or break in your decision making or can hamper you a lot mentally, physically, emotionally?
Yeah, I think the major factors that you need to consider is the kind of environment you're living in. For example, we lived with our friends, and it was toxic for 2 year, for 1.5 year. It was very toxic. When you stay with your friends, and you have fights for a longer time, you have continuous fights. It affects your mental health. And secondly, I also think that. With friends, when you are friends from India or whatever, unless you're very good friends or you have been staying together in India also, कि तुम रोज ही हैंग आउट कर रहे हो तो ठीक है, बट अगर फ्रेंड्स बहुत कनेक्टेड हो बट कभी साथ में नहीं रहे हो, और जब बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स हो जाते हैं, जब अगर तुम्हारा कोई रूममेट तुमको कुछ बोलता है, तुमको इतना बुरा नहीं लगेगा जितना कोई फ्रेंड बोलेगा, और फ्रेंड से झगड़ा होगा. तो आई थिंक roommates is one of the most important factors, the kind of roommates that you stay with. And secondly, yes, definitely I would say staying closer to college is one of the most important factors. 6 months I didn't like going to the college because I had to travel so much. I was like, oh my god, I do not want to go to the college. I just went like for 2 days, and rest of the days I used to do my assignments at home. Usually people come to college, do their assignments, go to Snell, explore the campus. That's the most important factor. Making friends in the college, अपने बैच के नजदीक नहीं रहते हो, you can't meet them every day, and actually meeting every day is very beneficial, I feel. And what was the other question?
So this was about all the environment and
Environment,
everything you
yeah.
need. So now I will ask you set of 2-3 questions जो
Yeah.
बहुत जैसे हम लोग भी आ रहे थे तो हमारे भी दिमाग में आता है, and then we'll wrap this up. To start with, एक बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन जो लोगों के दिमाग में आता है, और people who come from middle class families, की क्या पार्ट टाइम जॉब से हम लोग अपनी फीस पे कर सकते हैं, और अगर पे कर सकते हैं तो कितना पे कर सकते हैं?
Okay, so part-time job say depends what job you're doing. If you're doing a $14-15 job, it is, you can remove your rent, you can pay your rent, you can go out, you can party a little,
Yeah.
and you can have your traveling expenses and all of them set.
Okay.
Traveling, in case you're a student, you stay nearby, you don't have traveling expenses, you just walk around.
Yeah.
But college fees, I do not think so. It depends on person to person. How do you like to spend money?
Yeah.
Like, I could be a conjuice also and save some money.
But
and
in
pay.
a nutshell, you cannot like pay your college.
I think during your co-op, you can save up money and pay your fees. One semester तो निकल ही जाएगा अगर co-op करते हो. नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न का यही बढ़िया factor है that you have co-op opportunities, and the best part is with co-op you can do on campus too. So I used to actually do my co-op and work 20 hours off or on campus.
Yeah.
So it was around 60 hours.
Yeah.
Now you imagine the good amount of money that you get.
Yeah.
That was also one factor that we had
Stuck to,
in
yeah,
mind.
yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, the crux of the question is कि yes you can, but to a certain, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कोई अगर आपको बोल रहा है आप यूएस जाओ पूरा खुद मैनेज कर लोगे, वो पॉसिबल नहीं है, नहीं हो पाएगा. तो इफ यू डोंट हैव फाइनेंशियल बैकअप बहुत ज्यादा, तो थिंक ओवर योर डिसीजन, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत लोग आते हैं फिर दे स्ट्रगल अ लॉट, बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं, सो थिंक ओवर इट. हाँ,
Yeah.
यू कैन टेक केयर ऑफ योर लाइफ, योर रेंट एंड एवरीथिंग, बट फीस थोड़ा मुश्किल है, और मे बी इन गुड केस
Fees मुश्किल है. At least when you're doing on campus.
और
it
यू
is
गेट
मुश्किल.
co-op तो शायद एक सेमेस्टर खींच के 2 सेमेस्टर, उससे ज्यादा
ज़्यादा
नहीं. Now I'll ask you questions and you have to rate it on 1 to 10 level, depending upon the difficulty that you faced and you
Okay.
think it is difficult.
Yeah.
And after this we'll wrap up.
Okay.
So the first one is selecting the right college. On 1 to 10 scale, how difficult do you think it is?
Selecting the right college, I think a 7.
7.
You need proper research.
Okay.
If you do not do your research and you go to some XYZ college, it is difficult.
Okay.
Yeah. And I think renowned universities like Northeastern, Bentley, there's so many.
Yeah.
Boston University. Yeah.
Okay. And then selecting the right coursework, how difficult it was for you?
For me, it was not difficult because project management,
On
as
a
I told
scale
you,
of 1 to 10?
1 to 10, 8,
Eight.
9. Yeah.
It was
Nine.
difficult.
No,
9.
it was not difficult. Sorry, my bad.
Yeah.
4, 5.
Four,
4,
five.
4, 4, I would
Okay.
say. Yeah.
Getting your visa approved.
10.
So this can differ, but this is her thought. So we'll
But
take
I
her
think
thought.
it is 10 for everybody. Everybody is nervous
Yeah.
when they give you their interview. As long as you're like 30 years old and you're like done with, like, you have so much experience, you are confident. But when you're like a 22-year or 21-year-old, obviously
Yeah.
it is difficult.
Uh, so once you get your visa is approved. The next question is finding the right roommates and accommodation in US.
For me, it was not difficult at all. But for
1 to
others,
10?
1 to 10, it was not even 2.
Okay.
Roommates, eventually it was very difficult, but initially I had my sister. I had, like, I never went on the
Yeah.
Facebook this
Groups.
groups, never.
Finding on campus.
Good question. I think it was a 5. Not tough, not easy though.
Okay. Finding a right co-op.
Again, a 5. Not even a 5. A co-op was a very I think a 5. Yeah, 5. 5 is good.
Finding a full-time job.
Okay, this was tough. At least Northeastern was an option for us.
Yeah.
But apart from Northeastern, the job market is very bad right now. So I would say a 7, 8.
7,
Yeah.
8. Getting H1B sponsorship.
A 10.
Okay. So yeah, that is all the questions I had. So I hope कि बहुत सारे questions आपके जो थे दिमाग में वो हम आंसर कर पाएंगे इस पॉडकास्ट के थ्रू.
और प्लीज लिंक्डइन पे रीच आउट करो, पर ऐसे भी मत करना. बहुत सारे लोग ऑलरेडी मैसेज करके जॉब मांगते हैं.
सीएस हमारे लिंक्डइन के लिंक्स मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा. एन्यू वर्क्स का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा एंड जो भी यूजफुल लिंक्स होंगे वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा. सो आई थिंक जब हम आ रहे थे हमारे बहुत सारे क्वेरीज थे. आई थिंक
Yeah.
दीज वर एबल टू हेल्प यू, इफ नॉट बहुत ज़्यादा थोड़ा बहुत. अगेन ये जो सेगमेंट था, जो सारी बातें हमने की है, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन what Ritika faced in her life.
Yeah.
Further we'll have different podcasts with different people, so they'll talk about उनके struggles के बारे में, which will give you a variety of struggles or give you a broader spectrum of what to think and what to expect. So yeah, thank you so much for coming on the podcast. It was a long
Of
due.
course.
It was a long due and finally we are able to do it. So as I said, आगे आपको क्या चाहिए, किस चीज पे हम ज्यादा एम्फेसिस डालें, क्या क्वेश्चंस ज्यादा करें, वो आप लोग कमेंट करके बता सकते हो.
This is something new for us. though.
Yeah, this is something new for us, something new, very new. So we are trying to do our best. But हाँ, जो भी आप लोग comments करोगे, next guest से we'll try to ask that question. Ritika is from project management. I am from project management. So हम लोग अभी close knit है. अगर आपको चाहिए और अलग कोर्सेज से लोगों को लाएं तो कौन सी कोर्सेज से लाएं, so that you can comment, we can reach out to people and get guests for you. So yeah, thank you so much. I hope you like this podcast. And as I always say, keep smiling. See you in next podcast. Bye. Namaste.